All right, when you're squatting as part of your program to develop speed and power, there's one key principle that we need to keep. Well, there's a lot, but one we're talking about here. One key principle you want to keep in mind is accelerating through that concentric range of motion. So as you're near the top of the rep, you should actually be moving faster than you were at the bottom. Now, I guarantee you, a lot of you, when you go into your squats, you actually move slower or at the same rate of speed at the top as you do at the bottom. Now, if this is happening, and this happens all the time, what you're actually doing is disengaging. And I'll tell you why. Because whatever amount of force you're producing at the bottom, all right, even if that force stays steady, it should cause acceleration as you're near the top of the rep, simply because you gain mechanical advantage as your joints open up. All right, so if you're producing, for example, 225 pounds of force at the bottom, and you continue to produce 225 pounds of force, you should accelerate through that movement. All right, so if you actually use the same speed or dial it down as you near the top, you're actually disengaging from the lift, and that's the opposite of what you do on the field or the court. All right, you want to see acceleration as that joint opens up. So if you want to train the squat, and by all means use the squat to train power and speed, use a relatively light weight and focus, and even when you use heavier weights, focus on accelerating through that concentric portion of the rep and see if that doesn't immediately change the way that you actually train and the benefits that you get from your given program.